Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, as you explained about perceptions, so even doing the services, following the authorities, dealing with the Vaishnavas, but so many perceptions already like I'm having in my system. So although I'm trying to do something, but automatically by default, like subconscious mind, I'm doing something else, what I don't want to do.
Right.
So how to handle practically with this problem? Because perceptions drive so,
Right.
its force is so strong that it's moving me.
You also have got the power to change your perception. I am the one who put those default perception in my subconscious mind. So therefore I have a free will to change my perception. Now when you try to change your past response to something, then you will see that the old response is too powerful. It will pull you, and then your present response is not strong enough. And then you fall back to the old response. How to handle it? Because the old response has been too much meditated upon, has been too much, you have applied that, and it has become a very strong habit loop in your subconscious. Now how you made that? In the same way you can make new by association of Vaishnavas. You can, by the mercy of the Lord, by mercy of this transcendental Shabda, even very deep habits, by somehow one Shabda you hear from Prabhupada, one big habit is gone. It's like a bomb. So you should pray for the mercy of the Lord by Shravanam, Kirtanam. You can remove all these things. Normal way of removing would be, you have to reprogram your mind, isn't it? And you have to, a lot of resistance, you have to tapasya, and then you have to retrain your mind. We do that also, but we do that in addition to chanting Hare Krishna. When you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, all our anartha, we also know this is anartha, this is anartha. We need to know also this is anartha, all these things. But if you simply know what this anartha is, from tomorrow you cannot pick up one by one anartha and become a pure devotee. Because when you pull out, it won't come at all. Because you are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, when you see what is an anartha, you want to pull out, very easily it comes out and goes out. And because you know it is anartha, when you chant Hare Krishna, these anarthas are just like all the dust in the, rises up. So your head is full of so many of these anarthas coming in. Especially devotees say, before I was not so disturbed, I started chanting Hare Krishna. Now so many lusty thoughts, so many things are all coming out. Why it is coming out? Because the Cheto Darpana Marjanam, it is kicking up all these things. It is, from here it is going out. From here it has to come to the mind. No, the mind it has to go out. But when it comes to the mind, then if you do not know it is anartha, and if you don't want it, you have to use your free will, because it is by your free will you have put it inside. When it comes into your mind, you have to use it. Krishna is waiting, Super Soul is waiting. Do you use your free will? Okay, you chanted Hare Krishna, I kicked it up. Now do you say I don't want it? Then let it go. But when it comes into the mind, what you will do? No, don't go. Hold it back. Because we identify it is mine. My desire. How can I not satisfy it? How can I deprive myself of this desire? So you bring it back inside and keep. So we need to have knowledge about different anarthas, but knowledge about different anarthas is not enough to cleanse ourselves. We need both. We need the power of the holy name, hearing the holy name to uproot these things, and then have the power, use our free will to dislike that. We have to dislike these things. We have to like devotional service. We have to dislike sense gratification. That we have to exercise our free will. So that way, it is a process. You can remove those things, but it is a fact. It's a continuous battle with our anarthas. Why doesn't Krishna once for all clean us up? We are all struggling so much, right? I want to be a pure devotee. I want to be a pure devotee. Why doesn't Krishna one shot clear me up? One Hare Krishna is enough. The Shastras are also saying, one Hare Krishna, one Nama, pure Nama, Hare Krishna is enough. It will cleanse you off. Cleansing us is about the baggage. That is about our mind-body system, cleansing. But cleansing the soul, that is your free will. You have to choose. I don't want independent sense gratification. As long as you don't make that determination, cleansing will happen, again dirtying will happen. Cleansing will happen, dirtying will happen. Cleansing will happen, dirtying will happen.